I'm here with cookbook author and television host Devin Alexander, who has a line of bakeware that she has developed with Meijer. Devin, why don't you tell us a little bit about your bakeware?
Well, there's a couple pieces. One is this mini loaf pan. You know, so often, well, I'm all about portion control. I've lost 55 pounds and kept it off for close to 20 years now. And so I like to set myself up for success. And one of the ways I do that is with a pan like this. You have a mini loaf, so if you have a whole slice instead of just a half, it's more satisfying. And with a loaf like this, you can have just a half. And, you know, so many fine restaurants and things do carry pans like this, or do, you know, offer smaller pieces of things, but you can't get that decadence at home without cookware like this. And then we also have a square muffin pan, which does the same sort of thing. You know, you look at it, it's unique, so you want to dive into it. And it's not that old, oh, it's healthy, it doesn't look good, it doesn't taste good. This completely just debunks that, and we even include recipes on the outsides of the packages so that you can make a recipe. Once someone goes, oh my god, that looks so good, I have to try that. They try it, they bite into it, and they're like, oh my god, this is amazing. And it's so much easier to stay on track for your health.
Right. The great thing about this bakeware with Devin is, you know, a lot of people are frightened of baking because, oh my gosh, that must mean that it's fattening and unhealthy. But with Devin's bakeware, portion control, and the recipes that Devin has with Cook Great, Look Great with Circulon, it talks to how you can actually have a decadent diet without the calories.